Hey, it's Rich Tehrani with TMC. We're at the IT Expo Tech Super Show. On our program is Michael Smola. He is with Panasonic Connect. How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Fantastic. Thanks for being here. So what are you guys showing at the show?
Today we're talking about IoT and the mission critical data that we work with on our Toughbooks.
Fantastic. And what are some of the applications people are using the Toughbooks for?
So most of our applications are really focused on mission critical workers in the federal government, public sector, and enterprise sectors, where they're using the Toughbook computer outside the four walls, within their vehicles, doing all sorts of different activities.
Fantastic. Such as, can you give us any examples?
Yeah, big groups of our business are obviously law enforcement, fire, EMS. So you can only imagine what they do when they're police vehicles, where they're capturing information from people in the field. Utility workers, linemen that are going out and doing maintenance, construction, repairs are all using Toughbooks in their vehicles. Federal government, our warfighters are out there using Toughbooks for data communication, telecommunications in the field.
And so are you providing the solutions above and beyond the Toughbooks? Like, how does that work exactly?
Majority of our solutions are product-centric, so everything's built around the hardware. So we do a lot of pro services around professional services, deployment, integration, software, to really help build the application set that sits on top of the Toughbooks.
Fantastic. Is there any news that we should be aware of?
No, nothing new right now. We're obviously always working on new products. We recently launched our new FZ40, which is a new product. It's a larger, fully ruggedized clamshell. We just launched that last month. So we're very excited to get that into the market and get some business.
Great. Anything else we should know?
Nothing major right now. We're always working on the IoT. One of the reasons we want to be here is really to talk about the collaboration with many of the providers here at the show. We want to make sure as we dive into IoT, it's a very challenging perspective for many of our frontline workers. There's so much data that they can do to improve their business. They just don't have the ability to deploy it yet. So we're really anxious to collaborate with most of the folks here and see how we can start to make the true IoT happen at the front lines.
Well, thanks for being here, and also thanks for, I think you probably have one of the nicest, if not the nicest booths at the show, with a really nice ruggedized truck with ruggedized stations on it. So thanks for making the show even nicer.
Well, our pleasure, and thank you for the opportunity to speak. Really appreciate it.
Have a great show.
Thank you so much.